Air becomes very hot when it is compressed by the turbocharger, causing the amount of oxygen in a fixed volume of air to decrease. An intercooler is used to cool the air, making the air more dense for a cleaner, more efficient combustion. The most common air cooling method is to use an air-to-air intercooler. As outside air passes over the intercooler fins, heat is removed from the air inside the intercooler. Each time fuel is burned in the combustion chamber, a small amount of the combustion gas leaks past the piston rings into the crankcase. The crankcase ventilation system sucks these gases along with some of the oil vapor from the crankcase into the intake manifold. As the combustion gases and oil vapor move through the intercooler, the cooling effect causes the oil vapor to change back into liquid oil. This oil accumulates at the base of the intercooler and can eventually cause the intercooler hose or O-ring to fail, resulting in an oil leak. Depending on the system design and component condition of your vehicle, it may be possible to replace just the O-ring that seals the intercooler hose. In other circumstances, replacement of the complete hose assembly may be required.